I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one. So I'm going to do a concrete ramp in this area here. Reason being, I'm on two different levels here. This is going to be a pathway, but I need to get a ramp in here to bring it up to this level here. What I'll have to do is take these block pavers out. That'll give me 4 inches of concrete in here as well. What I'll have to do is cut through there with the saw, and then what I'll do is bring the concrete down from that level there all the way down to that level there. It's about 900 wide there. Take these block pavers out. I'll also put some rebar in there as well, and a nice little ramp going up to that level. Yeah, so I've got the block pavers cut out there. I've put 2 inches of concrete in the bottom of here. Also as well, I've got some rebar going in there, some reinforcement mesh. It's just going to sit in there like that. What I'll be able to do now is just bring the concrete from that level down to that level. Reinforcement in there. Form this ramp up. Yeah, don't make your concrete too wet neither. And where my level is there, I'm just going to work from that area, work my way along, one barrel at a time, and chuck that in. I'm just going to work this area here at the back. Using the level there as a guide. That being my finished height coming through. The reason why I've done this a little bit stiffer is that, don't forget, it is a bit of a slope there, and I don't want this concrete running off the edge there. Like I said, I'm going to start from the back, just work my way out. Yeah, concrete slope path there, all finished there. I give this a tamp finish, just a really light tamp finish going across there. I use my level for that. I also edge it all out there with the Marshalltown edging trowel. That's really effective too, all the way around. There's 4 inches of concrete in there. Also as well, there's reinforcement mesh. Really strong job. That's how it looks from the front. The mix I did for this was a 4-in-1 mix. That will be 4 ballast to 1 cement, 1 part cement. That's a really strong mix too. Must admit, well pleased with the results there. Gets me back up to that level there where I want to be. Nice little ramp coming down. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.